Meditation, or dhyana, is also a part of yoga. Like asana, the physical postures we practice as part of the 8 limbs of yoga, meditation offers a multitude of benefits, including improved mental well-being, stress reduction, and deeper relaxation. If you would like to participate in a personalized and exclusive yoga class with me, where you will learn the 8 limbs of yoga and the combination of postures, breathing techniques, and meditation techniques for your specific body and condition, you can join me in one of my private classes. Feel free to schedule using the link in the video description below. Good morning. It's like 6:15 right now. I'm traveling for work, and I have been thinking of doing a meditation video with all the recent events that have gone on. A lot of people losing their lives needlessly, and a lot of people feeling unsafe and scared. And so I wanted to just take everybody through a loving kindness meditation that they could do on their own to maybe send a prayer out there for themselves, to find a way to begin to identify their stress, where it's sitting in their body, and as a way to just focus on some healing. And so this is a loving kindness meditation for yourself as well as for your loved ones. And I'm going to take you through that right now. So sit in a chair upright. I'm actually traveling for work, so got a nice little office chair here. I'm sitting on the edge of the seat, so I'm not resting my back. I'm keeping a nice tall spine. Feet are flat on the mat, flat on the floor. Don't have a mat under me today. And my hands, we're going to start out with the hands flat on the legs, on the thighs, relaxing the shoulders down the back. And now it might be comfortable for you to just relax your eyes back into the eye socket, or gently close your eyes 50%, 75%, or 100%. If none of that feels good to you, then just send your gaze slightly down, looking at the tip of your nose, to just relax your eyes a little. And just begin to observe your breath. Inhaling into the belly. Exhaling, relaxing the shoulders down the back. You might even want to lean back slightly so the shoulders are directly over the hips. Allow your belly to soften. Allow your jaw to soften. You may want to bring the tongue to the roof of the mouth so the mouth can relax. And just begin to observe the body. Notice any areas of the body that feel a little numb, a little tight, a little tense. Inhaling in through the nose, exhaling through the nose. Noticing where you might feel any pain. Notice any thoughts that are competing for your attention right now. Anything that keeps coming up, just ask it to gently go away and come back a little later. Treat the thoughts as though they're clouds passing in the sky, and just don't attach yourself to any thought. And if you notice that you're attaching yourself to a particular thought, just bring your awareness back to your breath. Taking 2 deep breaths here. Very nice. And now bring the hands up towards the chest and place your fingers along your collarbone. So now as you breathe into your belly, I want you to allow the full breath to fill all the way up to the collarbone. Notice how that feels. It might feel strange, uncomfortable, different, unfamiliar. But we're using the full capacity of our lungs here, of our entire respiratory system. Feel your ribs expand on the sides as you inhale into the belly and all the way up to the top of the lungs. Imagine if you can feel the breath going up the back of the spine. Now relax the hands down, back onto the lap, and just sitting comfortably with a nice tall spine. So imagining that there's a piece of thread going from the base of the spine all the way through the crown of the head and attaching itself to the ceiling. Keep the shoulders relaxed, keep the jaw relaxed. And we'll begin working on a manipulated breath work. Here, we're going to make our exhales twice as long as our inhales. So we'll begin by inhaling on the count of 1, exhaling for the count of 2, inhale for the count of 1, exhale for the count of 2, and continue. Inhale the count of 1, exhale the count of 2. Two more breaths. We're going to take this deeper, inhaling for the count of 2, exhaling for the count of 4. Breathe in through the nose, breathe out through the nose. Inhale the count of 2, exhale the count of 4, and continue. Two more breaths. Now we're going to take this even deeper, inhaling for the count of 3, exhaling for the count of 6. Inhale the count of 3, exhale the count of 6. Inhaling deep into the belly for the count of 3. Exhaling all the stale air out of the belly for the count of 6. And you'll continue this breath as I read to you the loving kindness meditation. We'll first direct it towards ourselves, and then we'll direct it towards others. So you can stay focused on your breath, or you can repeat after me. If you stay focused on your breath, just repeat the words to yourselves in your head. If you're repeating after me, just speak it out loud. Placing one hand onto your chest and then place the other hand onto the belly. Continuing to inhale for the count of 3 and exhale for the count of 6. The loving kindness meditation goes as such. May I be free from inner and outer harm and danger. May I be safe and protected. May I be free of mental suffering and distress. May I be happy. May I be free of physical pain and suffering. May I be healthy and strong. May I be able to live in this world happily, peacefully, joyfully, with ease. Continue to inhale for the count of 3 and exhale for the count of 6. Keeping one hand over your heart, the other hand on your belly. Inhaling for the count of 3, exhaling for the count of 6. Next, you can move on to a person who most invites the feeling of unconditional loving kindness into your heart. And now repeat the loving kindness meditation for them. May Black women be free from inner and outer harm and danger. May Black women feel safe and protected. May Black women be free of mental suffering or distress. May Black women be happy. May Black women be free of physical pain and suffering. May Black women be healthy and strong. May Black women be able to live in this world happily, peacefully, joyfully, with ease. May women be free from inner and outer harm and danger. May women feel safe and protected. May women be free of mental suffering or distress. May women be happy. May women be free of physical pain and suffering. May women be healthy and strong. May women be able to live in this world happily, peacefully, joyfully, with ease. And you can continue for Black men, for all men, for the people that you feel need love and kindness. And while staying in touch with that inner warmth and love that you feel, you'll send this meditation out for those who you are struggling to love at this moment. May all beings be safe, happy, healthy, and live joyously. May all living beings be free of mental suffering or distress. May all living beings be happy. May all living beings be free of physical pain and suffering. May all living beings be healthy and strong. May all living beings be able to live in this world happily, peacefully, joyfully, with ease. Placing your hands back down onto your lap, palms face down on your thighs. Continuing to focus on the breath, inhaling for the count of 3, exhaling for the count of 6. Three more breaths like this. Inhale for the count of 3. Exhale for the count of 6. Now allowing your breath to return to normal. Breathing in silence. Feeling safe and peaceful in this very moment. 5 more breaths. Now together, let's bring our hands to heart center in prayer position. Bow your head to your own heart, honoring the light within you. And together we'll take 3 cleansing breaths. Rise your chin, inhale through the nose, exhale out through the mouth. Inhale in through the nose, exhale out through the mouth. Inhale, exhale. And thank you all for allowing me to guide you through your practice today. I see and I honor the light in each and every one of you as I see and honor the light in me. Namaste. So this is Defina Lovelace, founder and Chief Angel of Change at Embrace Change Yoga. Like this post, check me out on my website, and I hope to have more videos like this for you if you like it. Have a great day. Bye.
Support this community by subscribing to the channel and activating the notification bell to stay updated with every new video release.